So I am officially Chinese, and I will be making you guys an official Chinese fried rice authentic meal. So, just if anybody asks, totally authentic. Okay, so we got the pan hot. There we go. Alright. I'm going to take the vegetables first. Dump them in there. We'll throw the garlic in there with them. We like chunks of garlic, not just diced garlic ourselves. Throw that in there. Alright. And just keep stirring until they're nice and soft. Let's just keep cooking it for a few minutes. Working it around. Make sure everything gets softened up. Meanwhile, the rice was already cooked. It's cooled down. We got some meat and steak in there from a previous meal. And some soy sauce, some, what is that again? Some sesame oil and some olive oil just to keep things, you know, nice and lubricated. 6 minutes now. Just check the broccoli. It's still a little hard, so keep flipping it. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes, but the vegetable is starting to soften up a little bit there, so we're going to dump in mushrooms and steak, of course. Probably got another 10 minutes at least. Okay, seems like everything here is done. So, what we're going to do, we're going to hollow out ourselves a little spot in the middle here. Make ourselves some room. We're going to dump an egg or two in there. Alright, so there you go. Once these get a little heated up, start flipping it around with the spatula. Okay, flip that around for a while. Everything's pretty much cooked up there. And now what we're going to do is, you know, have the guest of honor. What we did is we cooked this earlier, let it cool down. Because traditionally it was made with used rice. Stuff that had been, not used, right? I'm sorry. It's sitting around for a few days. Okay, throw that in there. And start mixing it in. Let it sit till everything's heated up and cooked down a little bit. Add some soy sauce or whatever sauce you're going with. And there you go. You have authentic stir-fried rice. Other than you're probably not authentic like I am. So it sucks to be you. Okay, so yeah. That's actually about 35 minutes or so, something like that. And it still tastes like it needs a little bit more salt, but you can just add that with soy sauce. And yeah, just constantly flipping around, and it tastes pretty dang good. Just to say, my mom, who is definitely more Chinese than me because of genetics, is on her third bowl, and she said it's delicious. So, here we go. Not bad.